2025, believing that with your painstaking considerations, the Akuku-Toru local government will witness a new lease of life this year. As you are aware, this administration came into office barely 4 months ago to continue on the path of holistic development of our local government. Although our was vetted by a prolonged period of challenges and inaction, we have tried within the last 4 months to give focus to an otherwise unfortunate situation. We inherited a local government where youth restiveness and unnecessary love for political power broke down our infrastructure, set youth against one another, and were generally insensitive to the plight of Kugan. As Providence would have it, God orchestrated a political process that threw up the Action People's Party, APP, to champion and repair on our lifestyle, perceptions and ideologies. As of today, with the support of our leaders, both traditional and political, our local government has begun a procedure to give Akugan a new lease of life, cater for our needs, and give accelerated response to our collective needs. It is on this note, and following our mantra, service above self, that I have come to you with a budget estimate, which is Christian, a budget of inclusive growth and development. A budget of inclusive growth and development. It is our modest approach towards putting Akuku-Toru on the path of greatness, especially as we unveil our modest plan for 2025. The leader and members of this assembly, I have come here to unfold our plan to build significant infrastructure to match the yearning of the people, boost the security outlay of our local government, and improve the capital income base of business, men and women in Akuku-Toru through our intervention scheme. Also, efforts shall be made to cut business interest into the local government so as to provide sustainable jobs for our youth and reduce the level of dependence on the elites. In doing this, my administration will welcome every effort that is directed towards helping Akugan grow in leaps and bounds. Medical intervention schemes shall be promoted. Development of satellite communities shall be explored, while premium attention shall be placed on providing uninterrupted power supply to the people and massive cleaning of our environment. Accordingly, in the 2025 fiscal year, this administration is proposing a budget of 12,732,553,348 naira only as estimate for the Akuku-Toru local government. This figure represents an 18.2% increase over the budget of 2024, due largely to inflation. A breakdown of this indicates that the sum of 7,755,806,398 naira only shall be reserved for procurement expenditure. The sum of 4,859,421,416 naira 52 kobo only will be directed towards capital expenditure. As part of this, Council will furnish and equip the Secretariat, which was looted before we assumed office, intervene strategically in healthcare, education, sports, and embark on the building of a befitting market for the business community in our local government area. Police, we continue to service our responsibilities in the local government, electricity, security, and safety of our environment shall remain our priority. In 2025, Council has made provision for the hosting of the Akuku-Toru festival called Akufest and other ceremonies that will keep our people happy and relax all year round. Whereas it is our mantra to serve the people. Efforts shall also be channeled towards improving our service delivery in the local government area. Our expected revenue profile in 2025 shows that the sum of 12,630,348 naira 20 kobo is being extracted from the federal allocation, while 102,550,000 naira will come from our internal generated revenue. The leader of this assembly, my very distinguished councillors, the expectations of the people of Akuku-Toru are enormous. We need to work together to deliver on the mandate the people have given to us. I am aware of the sacrifices you make daily to ensure that this local government is great, and I urge you not to relent. Akuku-Toru is our home. It is the home of forthright citizens, and I am sure that it can get better. I thank you very much for the time accorded me to make this presentation, and I promise that the trust you have in my administration will not be taken for granted. Cougars are looking forward to 2025 with great expectations, and this budget is key to our growth and development in the local government. I thank you all, and God bless you. On this note, I humbly present the budget.
Distinguished, we have always promised her an administration that the needed support will be given to her. On this note, knowing fully well that she is very busy, I'll take one or two comments while she's still here, and will now grant her to go about all the business of the day that are before her table. So very quickly, Excellency, there are public complaints before us, but I will just take few, all others will be communicated to you. Before now, there were very serious complaints, knowing fully well when you came in, you are one woman that is very conscious of security matter. But we do not know that the personnel, the military personnel, are just block the exit of our road from the health center going to the police station to the park. Reason being known best to them. You are the chief security officer of this LGA. You need to know why